This is the unboxing and review of the portable radio from PAGARIA model number R917. This radio accepts 3 bands FM, AM and SW. It also can be used as Bluetooth speaker and it has a powerful torch. Only not that, it has also several salient features. The highlighted features are written at the side of the box pack. This has USB, rechargeable, tape playback for MP3, FM, AM, SW, torch and 5 watt sound. MRP of the radio is 1990 but I have got the product at only 1400 around. Let's see inside the box pack. This is the main unit, radio. USB to micro USB cable for charging the radio. Box also includes 5V 1A PAGARIA adapter, warranty card but you have to register the product online. And one quick user guide. Now let's unveil the product quickly. Radio is portable, compact and in black color. Now let's measure the length and breadth of the radio. 14 cm in length and 8 cm in breadth. Right side of the radio contains the tuning knob, the volume rocker, headphone and charging port. Top side of the radio contains the torch operating switch, TF and USB port, one charging and power indicator. This is the telescopic antenna for better receptions of the FM channels. Now I will show you how to operate this device. Now slide the slider one by one. First mode is for Bluetooth and MP3.
Bluetooth mode.
Next mode is for FM. I have played FM channels at the latter part of the video. Next mode is AM. You can tune the channel by tuning knob manually. And also you can increase the volume down and volume up by the volume rocker. Left side of the radio, it contains one torch. It can be operated by this switch. Now let's see the intensity of the torch. This is the bottom side of the radio and this is the back. Now let's open the battery compartment. It contains one rechargeable battery, you can see here, which is 2500 mAh. Now let's listen the tuned FM channels.
একটু বাজে কফি, একটু কোমরে ব্যথা, একটু হাঁটুতে টান আর একটু ওয়েটিং এ থাকার সময়।
बिचारपुर गांव लगभग 2.5 दशक पहले अवैध शराब और नशे की गिरफ्त के जो बसर तेरे साथ मेरी थी मेरी रहेगी आराध्या.
AM channels were getting very easily even at the ground floor. Truly speaking, we didn't get any FM channels at the ground floor even with the telescopic antenna, but we got each and every FM channels prominently at the second floor. For better receptions of the FM channels, you can add one wire from your top floor to the antenna. Overall, it's a good choice. You can go for it. Thank you.